Guys, I'm here with the special for you guys. So, see here, got the iPhone 6 Plus, you know, 6S Plus, the gold one. And so, like, I went to Sprint, you know, had them put on a screen protector for me, because, you know, I'm known for dropping phones. It's off right now. So we're gonna take this out. I'm gonna put this right here. Just let you see that. And then in the manual, I don't really read the manuals because there's nothing for me in here. See? Nothing really for me in here. Just the manual, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this back in here, close this back up, and then all my accessories are in here. The charging cable, that right there. The port, that right there. And then my headphones. So there's just a quick little, you know, just a quick little unboxing for y'all. And then, so I am going to turn on the phone, and I'll get back with y'all when I boot it up and everything. Alright, so guys, I'm back, and I have booted up my iPhone. It's like, I don't know why it looks like that, but you see I have booted it up. I'm gonna have to tilt it. And then from here, it's actually really cool. You can hold down and the 3D touch pops up. You have live photos. It's a lot of stuff. It was just really cool. And you know, it's just the regular old iPhone Plus, 6 Plus. You know. Oh, I have to tell you guys, while I was booting it up, I seen this really cool thing on the internet. It was the iOS 10. So you'll see, I'm about to tilt it a little bit. This is the iOS 10 beta. And over here's the camera. I'm not gonna go to the camera. And I just have like everything here. And it's really just a cool feature, you know. And then this is the iPhone 6S Plus. You know, ports on the bottom, nothing on top. Volume and the switch bar, and then there's the SIM card insert, and then the power button. Well, thanks guys for watching. I will be posting a new video soon. Adios, your boy Jay.